Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen companion that promises versatility and convenience, the Elite Gourmet EDB-302BF Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner. If you've ever found yourself short on stovetop space during a busy cooking session, or perhaps you're looking for a portable cooking solution for dorm rooms, offices, or even camping trips, this electric hot plate might just be the answer you've been searching for. Let's start by breaking down what this unit offers. At its core, it's a 1,500 watt electric hot plate featuring two cast iron burners, a larger 6.5-inch one and a slightly smaller 6-inch one. This dual burner setup means you can cook two dishes simultaneously, a significant advantage for those who multitask in the kitchen. The combined 1,500 watts are distributed between the two plates, and the description states that they heat up quickly, allowing you to get your cooking started without much delay. One of the standout features here is the adjustable temperature control. Each burner has its own dedicated knob, offering settings from low, medium, to high. This variable temperature control is crucial for achieving consistent cooking results. You can simmer a sauce on low, pan-fry vegetables on medium, or quickly bring water to a boil on high. The ability to keep food warm at a buffet station is also a significant plus, especially during gatherings or holidays. When it comes to ease of use and maintenance, the Elite Gourmet EDB-302BF doesn't disappoint. The cooking plates are described as nonstick and flat, making them incredibly easy to clean. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth or a non-abrasive sponge should suffice for most messes. This is a huge convenience, especially when you're on the go or simply want to avoid the hassle of scrubbing burnt-on food. Safety is also a consideration with this unit. It features dual power indicator lights on the front, which clearly show when the burners are powered on, providing an important visual cue. Furthermore, it comes equipped with non-skid feet. This is a small but vital detail that ensures the hot plate remains stable on your countertop, preventing accidental slips and spills, which is especially important when dealing with hot food. The compact and portable nature of this electric burner is another major selling point. Its size makes it easy to store away in a cabinet when not in use, but it's also stylish enough to be left out on the counter for everyday use. This portability opens up a world of possibilities. Think about using it to prepare meals in a studio apartment, as an extra cooking surface during holiday baking marathons, or even taking it along for an RV adventure or a day at the park. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of the Elite Gourmet EDB-302BF. On the positive side, the dual burners with individual temperature controls offer excellent flexibility for cooking multiple items at different temperatures. The cast iron plates, while a bit heavier, generally provide good heat retention and even cooking. The easy-to-clean surface is a definite win for busy individuals. Its compact size and portability make it a versatile option for various living situations and travel needs. The safety features like indicator lights and non-skid feet contribute to a more secure user experience. However, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. While the cast iron burners heat up quickly, the maximum wattage of 1500 W combined for two burners means that neither burner might reach the intense, rapid searing temperatures you might get from a high-powered dedicated stovetop burner. For very demanding cooking tasks that require extreme heat, this unit might be a bit limited. Also, while described as non-stick, results can vary, and some users might find that certain foods do require a bit more attention to prevent sticking. The durability of the temperature controls over extended periods of heavy use is also something to keep an eye on, as is common with many portable appliances. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet EDB-302BF Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner is a solid, no-frills appliance that excels in providing an extra cooking surface with decent control. It's ideal for those who need more stovetop space, are living in smaller accommodations, or desire a portable cooking solution. Its ease of cleaning and safety features add to its practicality. While it might not replace your primary stove for high-intensity cooking, it certainly fills a valuable niche in the modern kitchen and beyond. Link in the description.